What's up, everybody? Welcome to What's in Your Bag. My co-host right here.
You keep doing that the gangster lead.
Holla, holla. I'm hoping this is MTV Cribs, but let's not ignore this pretty lady to my right. Tamara Lackey.
Like, what?
Tamara Lackey, Nikon ambassador. How the heck are you?
I'm doing wonderfully, thank you.
Cool. I mentioned the Nikon ambassador just because this is a whole lot of geek talk right now. We're talking about gear.
Yes.
And one thing with female photographers, you know, moms with cameras, all these cliche names, that you've got a lot of fans that probably come to you on a regular basis, daily, minutely. Tamara, what camera do I have to have and why?
Mm-hmm.
Talk to me about, you know, gear. Obviously, this is a show about gear, so no disrespect to gear, but can you get great expression and great light and great captures with any type of gear?
Yes.
Expand on that.
Okay.
Give me some.
I hate it when people answer like that. Yes, because I think so much of it is if you light something well, you compose it well, you think about foreground, you think about background, you've got expression, you've got all that in place. You can do a ton with a lower model camera body and lens. Now, personally, I feel that I would much rather invest in one amazing lens and a lower camera body than to get the top of the line camera body and throw a lower end lens on it. I just think that kind of, so if you have that set up, like I said, I've done some shoots that I love with the D610, the 5300. Those are really reasonable camera bodies with have the built-in Wi-Fi and all that sort of stuff. Yeah. A couple of my very favorite shots that are on my website, in my portfolio, I show in my slideshows at presentations, were shot with the AW1, the Nikon one, the AW1 camera, the waterproof.
Oh my goodness!
The little kind. It's a hybrid DSLR thing. Yeah. Because they had this best moment feature where you can just literally hold it down and someone's throwing someone in the air and then you've got 5 results back. It's kind of like burst.
Yeah.
Cool.
And the shutter speed on that is actually pretty amazing in the right kind of light.
Sure.
Yes. Okay. So all of that is to say, yes, I believe that you can achieve a lot because you can also have the best camera and the best lens. But if you're not looking at all those other factors, you're not thinking about fill light, you're not thinking about catch light, I mean, you can lose so much.
Well, I think that you've given some fabulous insights. I
studied for days.
Did you?
Yes.
For this particular moment?
Yes.
Well, honestly, we really appreciate it for this holiday
get with
moment.
the signs.
Get with it. But honestly, Tamara mentioned a lot of different cameras. Like you mentioned something, honestly, I'm going to be honest here, I haven't heard of some of these cameras. But what's awesome is that Chase and his team over at Lens Rentals have some great options for choices of cameras that you probably wouldn't pick up or probably you wouldn't buy. So definitely try before you buy. But Tamara, where can we find your work?
TamaraLackey.com. Okay. And obviously on social media, you can find it all from the main website.
Yeah. Love it. And she definitely is very active in social media, very informative. You've got classes on every platform that you can think of. She's very, very giving with her education and of her time. So thank you so much for taking time with us today.
Thank you very much.